हेलो बॉयज एंड गर्ल्स, आई एम बैक। पिछले हफ्ते जजेस को आप में से कई लोगों की परफॉर्मेंस अच्छी नहीं लगी। रिजल्ट मास एलिमिनेशन, और अब सिर्फ 14 कंटेस्टेंट्स बचे हैं। लेकिन अब जजेस ने कंपटीशन और भी सख्त बनाने का डिसीजन लिया है।
बहुत टेंशन हो रहा है यार।
अगले टास्क में जजेस परखेंगे कि आप एक लाइव शो में किस तरह परफॉर्म करेंगे। There will be 3 rounds of ramp walk today, और हर कंटेस्टेंट को 3 आउटफिट्स दिए जाएंगे और आपको हर एक राउंड के बाद कॉस्ट्यूम चेंज करके अगले क्यू के लिए रेडी रहना है। इस टास्क में आपको बैक स्टेज किसी की भी हेल्प नहीं मिलेगी। बट बी केयरफुल, जजेस आपके बैक स्टेज परफॉर्मेंस को भी रेट करेंगे। कैसे? आप जल्द जान जाएंगे। इस वक्त आपके पास सिर्फ 15 मिनट हैं तैयार होने के लिए। बेस्ट ऑफ लक फॉर योर नेक्स्ट टास्क। मे द बेस्ट बॉय एंड गर्ल विन।
So here we go. Enter.
The second task was the pressure which happens during a fashion show backstage.
We went on the ramp. First round was the casual round.
It was tough because the 3 changes that were given to them were not very easy ones. They had very little time to change, considering that we had very few models in this particular round.
The judge wanted to check everybody how they express themselves with the different themes and different clothes.
Judges were checking backstage and in front stage that how we deal with the timings and how we present ourselves.
We were constantly watching them on a screen, which was to show how they reacted to the stress, to the pressure, because you have to change so quickly.
We have to change 3 or 4 costumes and we have to be on time.
जो पीछे ड्रामा हो रहा था, it was all in a very hectic manner. So it was like all kind of like, building pressure.
I really enjoyed ramp shows and I thoroughly enjoyed that task.
You actually get to see different moods of different people and different models, how they handle the stress. Somebody is just praying and somebody's talking too much. They're so tense, and it's actually fun to watch that.
They were all so there and they were all presenting 100% of their efforts, and in fact even more.
All of you get into your 4th change and come up on stage.
As we call your name, just come and step forward.
Adil, would you please step forward? Perfect walk. Very nice. I'm very impressed with your walk, with your style, with your attitude. Today I was not impressed at all.
For me, you're just lost. आप जब रैंप पे आते हो तो आपको यही नहीं मालूम कि आपको क्या करना है। आपको ये नहीं पता है कि मुझे एक्सप्रेशन देना है। आप कंफ्यूज हो जाते हो।
I am not too impressed.
I'm very disappointed today because there's something definitely wrong with you today.
Dimples didn't work. Of all the contestants, I'm most disappointed with you.
जो मुझे कमेंट्स मिले जैसी के, सुबी के, I got shocked.
You are brilliant.
I am also very impressed.
I like what you did on the stage.
You were the only girl who took the trouble to hit the runway in the right way.
I'm not happy with your performance.
I didn't see you backstage. I didn't see you on the stage. I just didn't see you.
मुझे क्यों नहीं देखा अब ये मुझे पता नहीं। शायद मैं उनकी अटेंशन ग्रैब नहीं कर पाया या उन्होंने मेरे को देखने की इच्छा ही नहीं होगी उनकी।
You're nice. You're not good. Do something out of the box. Create magic on the ramp and say that I should say I want to book you for my next show.
You were fabulous.
Ghazi, for me, you're very good. You have everything that it takes for a boy from India to go abroad.
Priyanka, I like the way you're walking the ramp.
I have to leave you in their hands because I have liked you.
Varun, I'm not impressed. Harshita, what didn't work for me was the constant smile that you had.
So that fake smile of yours, that face, Not happening at all, Harshita.
Okay, so just give us some time. We just need to have a small little discussion. Why don't all you guys go backstage? Yeah? Thank you.
Can we please have the contestants on stage?
We'd like Shreya, Harshita, Priyanka Saha, and Aparajita to step forward.
We have to unfortunately eliminate 2 girls today. We mentioned when we saw the show that everyone's done a fabulous job. Okay? 2 of y'all, your journey ends here.
I think कि श्रेया and Priyanka के chances हैं eliminate होने के.
It's not on the basis of what we've just seen now. It's on the basis of what we saw backstage, what we saw over here, your stage presence, your performance.
Harshita, would you please step forward? Your expressions were very dull. No body language, no posing. So I guess that was the reason for me to vote you out.
Aparajita, step forward. Opportunity does not knock on your door twice. I don't know whether we can give you the opportunity, but we can definitely give you the chance. So you can go back and stand because you are in.
Priyanka, step forward, please. You've impressed us quite a few times. But unfortunately, it ends here. Better luck next time. I wish you all the best.
Of course it feels bad. पर हाँ मैंने यहाँ पे बहुत कुछ सीखा है, बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिला है and thanks to Zoom and the entire team.
Talking about this task, हम लोगों ने श्रेया, अपराजिता इन लोगों से कहीं ज़्यादा अच्छा परफॉर्म किया था.
Shreya. Like Priyanka is a very strong model according to me, but she still got eliminated. You've got another lead. You're in, so you can step back.
Amongst the boys, can I have Harvinder, Girish, Aniket, Varun?
कॉन्फिडेंस है और आई एम बिलीविंग माई सेल्फ. बिंदास रह रहा हूँ, चिल कर रहा हूँ, 5 स्टार एंजॉय कर रहा हूँ लाइफ.
2 out of the 4 of you would be going out. Any guesses?
Harvinder, step forward. Aniket, step forward. There's a common decision that the 3 of us have taken, and I said that you look really lost. So hopefully when you come back into the next episode, you won't be lost. So you can go back because you're still in. At the end of it all, there still is no good news for you.
जजेस के कमेंट मेरी परफॉर्मेंस के लिए कुछ अच्छे नहीं थे. पता नहीं है मुझे उन्हें ऐसा क्यों लगा. मेरे को एलिमिनेट कर दिया. So I am feeling really bad.
Girish, you can step back. You're in. You're not. Don't worry. There's no. Both you guys need to really hit the gym. Really need to take modeling as a serious career. The show does not end here. It just begins for you.
पिक्चर अभी बाकी है मेरे दोस्त.
जो मैं यहाँ से एक्सपीरियंस लेकर जा रहा हूँ वो आई थिंक लाइफ टाइम मेरे काम आएगा.
काजी को और आदिल को मैं बोलना चाहता हूँ कि भाई मतलब you both are very deserving guys and girls. Aparajita, Sangya and Priyanka, Bhau.
But there is a bigger shocker for you now.
इतना सब टेंशन तो ठीक है, बट इतने टेंशन से जजेस खुश नहीं थे. उन्हें और ऐड करना ही था.
The jury has decided that where 4 eliminations took place, we will now give you all competition.
Today, we're going to bring in some more people. We're going to give you a run for your money. Are you ready for this?
To up the competition, they get 2 guys and 2 girls.
The first person is Tyson.
हमें लगता है कि ये फेयर नहीं हुआ है गेम.
The bar has been raised higher and higher.
Pooja Vaidya.
Tahir.
कंपटीशन अभी टफ हो गया है इन 4 कंटेस्ट से आने के बाद.
So thank you very much, everyone. Just work at it and impress us the next time. And good luck and congratulations for tonight's performance. Brilliant.